What is reference counting?
Reference counting is a technique used in programming to automatically manage memory. Each object keeps track of how many references or pointers are pointing to it. When no references remain, the object is no longer needed and its memory can be released. This helps prevent problems caused by forgetting to free memory manually.
How reference counting works?
Every time a new reference to an object is made, its reference count increases. When a reference is removed or goes out of scope, the count decreases. If the count drops to 0, the memory is freed. This simple cycle allows the automatic cleanup of objects, making code safer and more efficient.
Benefits and drawbacks.
Reference counting is easy to understand and use, making it popular for managing simple memory life cycles. However, it cannot handle objects that reference each other in a cycle, such as two objects pointing to each other. These cycles can prevent memory from being reclaimed, leading to memory leaks.
Where reference counting is used.
Many modern programming languages and systems use reference counting. For example, Python and Swift use it to manage object life cycles behind the scenes. It is common in multimedia frameworks, databases, and software where manual memory management would be complex or error-prone.
Key takeaways.
Reference counting is a practical solution for memory management. It works by tracking how many pointers refer to an object and frees up memory when none remain. While simple and effective, it does have limitations with cyclic references. Still, it remains a cornerstone technique in software development.